Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, and you want to be able to achieve financial freedom if you're not already there, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And more importantly, hit that like button so that these videos get out to more people. Because this is all about teaching people how to become financially free, and that's what I want to see for everyone. So let's get into the market. We could have an interesting day. If you live in the northeastern third of the United States, you probably know there's a massive cold front coming through. I know I'm right smack in the middle of it. In fact, tomorrow, if everything goes the way they're talking, wind chill could be the coldest day I've ever experienced, and I've lived here all my life. So that's pretty interesting, and not in a good way. I don't like cold weather. But with that being said, we could see this negatively affecting the market as well, because whenever you have something like this coming through that is worse than what's normal, they start wondering, what kind of damage could this cause? And so a lot of times you'll see a downturn in the market from that. So based on that alone, I was already expecting today to be a down day. We'll see how that plays out. I know in the pre-market we're already down 0.85%, so fairly significantly down. However, I will say that my watch list is kind of mixed right now with red and green. So we got some stocks moving up, we got some stocks moving down. Crypto, a little bit in the green or in the red right now. So we got that. And like I said, I'm just overall calling for a down day. I'm going to be looking for some buying opportunities and just kind of see what's out there, see how everything moves. We got our pop yesterday. We called that I thought the market was going to do well, and it did. The market did very well. S&P ended up closing yesterday evening at 1.5% up. Dow up 1.60%, and the NASDAQ up 1.54%. So the market did very well. We got that little bit of a bounce that I was calling for after we had, 6 straight red days, I think it was, in a row. I said that we needed a pop at some point in time, and we got that yesterday. So I was happy to see that. Now, this doesn't mean that a little bit more of a rally couldn't come, but with the bad weather coming in, I really kind of look for it just to crush the market down a little bit. We could be heading down on the S&P to around that 3,600 range. Is definitely a level of resistance. We could be heading down there to bounce off that, especially with this bad weather. So with that being said, I did get out of my Oxygen. I said that Oxygen, if it dropped down under $1.30, that I wanted to drop out of it, so I did. I went ahead and took that 4-cent loss on that. Never a big fan of taking a loss, but sometimes you just got to cut your losses. You cut your losses and you let your winners run. That's how this game's played. That's how we make money. So I went ahead and cut that loose. The TQQQs from yesterday did very well. Bought those at $18.05, sold them at $19.05. Made a solid dollar profit on that, so really happy with them. And I did buy back in just a small position. Excuse me, my allergies are bothering me a little bit this morning. But my Oxygen play, sold out of that. When it hit $1.25, I did pick up a small position just to see if we get a bounce off there. If it continues to fall, I'll take that loss too. That'll be fine. I just wanted to be positioned so that if we got a bounce, because kind of the same as the market, it's been falling, and at some point in time we're going to have to get a regression, and I just wanted to be positioned there if that's the case. Otherwise, let's see here. We got our AM I'm still holding. We have not broke under that $1.85. We break under that $1.85 trend line, I'll cut my losses there, but for now we're still holding it. I want to see that move up, though. If we don't get that move up pretty quick, I'm going to kind of consider this play dead for me at the moment. And that's pretty much everything that I'm in at this moment. Just going to be paying attention to the charts today. watching the different stocks, seeing what happens if we have a down day, see if something really gets beat up over that on my watch list, and get myself positioned and ready for that. So make sure you join me this afternoon. We'll go over our plays for the day. We'll get everything set up to close out this week with a nice positive ROI. And until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.